Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So like there's a request to you guys. बहुत ही कम सब्सक्राइबर है चैनल पे, सिर्फ 2 ही है. So please थोड़ा रैम कर दो, कॉन्फिडेंट मिलता है. Okay. So like in this video, like I'm gonna share my experience, my first day experience as a Tron associate. Obviously a training session में है. So how your first day starts in as a Tron associate in Amazon, or your trainings periods in Amazon. Alright. सो यहाँ पे मैं बोलने वाला हूँ लाइक हाउ वाज माय डे, क्या क्या हुआ, एंड ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ स्टफ्स आई एम गोइंग टू कवर ओवर इन दिस वीडियो. ऑलराइट. So like before joining to this session, all right, we're joining to the like first day of my Tron associate. Before the day one, like before that day, we got a mail in our personal mail ID that we need to join a group, like WhatsApp group. वहाँ पे like there was an like batches, like we have been allotted a specific batch, and a specific trainer was also allotted to us, all right, assigned to us. वहाँ पे like everything like when to join the meeting, how to do everything, all over there was written over there. All right. So it was mentioned that our first day training will start from 12 p.m. and it will end at 9 p.m. So totally fine. So our next day, and it was also mentioned that we need to connect through Amazon Chime application. All right, you need to download that application in your mobile or else in your laptop. Anything is like okay. वहाँ पे ऐसा नेसेसरी नहीं है कि यू नीड टू गो बाय लैपटॉप ओनली, मोबाइल से भी कनेक्ट कर सकता है. मैंने मोबाइल से कनेक्ट किया. So you need to go, so I downloaded that application before the meeting starts, and I joined the meeting at 12. So I joined the meeting at 12. Like it was also mentioned that you need to join the meeting by 12, but the meeting will start from 12:30. So वहाँ पे क्या हुआ कि मैंने एक गलती कर दिया. तो 12:30 तो हो चुका था, but the thing was that I was connected and I was thinking that the meeting hasn't started. But I can see some faces, like some of like मेरा batchmates का, like they have started their video calls, and I was wondering कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा है, then why they have started the video call. So like I was in the call, so when it was like nearly around to be 1, and I thought like वो लोग का ना जो फेसेस था वहाँ पे एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा था, एक्सप्रेशन, एंड आई वाज थिंकिंग लाइक नथिंग वाज हैपनिंग, व्हाई द एक्सप्रेशन इज कमिंग. सो आई जस्ट ड्रॉप द मीटिंग एंड रीजॉइन. तो देयर वाज अ सेशन गोइंग ऑन, ठीक है, वैसा सेशन हो रहा था. तो आई मीन टू से दैट प्लीज़ जब आप कनेक्ट करोगे, ठीक है, व्हेन यू विल बी कनेक्टेड, व्हेन यू विल बी कनेक्टिंग टू द मीटिंग्स, please check that you have connected your audio also. If you have connected your audio also, in between अगर आपका internet connection low हो जाता है ना, like you might drop or something like that, कुछ हो जाता है, I don't know what the exact thing happened, but the audio wasn't coming. So please check करते रहना ये वाला चीज़. So and there was normally an introduction that ma'am was giving. There was ma'am like that was giving what is Tron associate and all that kind of stuff. Not that much important. I missed it out. So after that, and there was a session, and after it was like like we got a break nearly around 45 minutes. उधर 45 minutes का break मिला, and उसके बाद like there was another session that with our personal trainer that was assigned. तो उसके साथ हम लोगों का like session start हुआ, and that was known as like setting up your IT equipments. जो आप लोगों को IT equipments मिला, जैसे for example laptop, right? Example laptop ही मिला है, and after that all the other accessories just leave aside. तो setting up your laptop. So वहाँ पे the trainer that we got was Ma'am Rubina, and she was totally good. क्यों गुड है? क्योंकि शी वॉज सो मच नॉर्मल, शी वॉज सो मच पोलाइट. द वे शी एक्सप्लेन टू एवरी वन, each of us, she guided in such a manner that it was totally wonderful. So our session started like around 3 p.m. So how to set up your equipment, like a laptop. There was a kind of not that much very short process, but it was a medium process. Like we need to set 2 passwords, laptop passwords, and the key. Then the key we used to get, we need to set that pin also over there. So though the process was not that much lengthy, but we made that process very much lengthy because some of our batchmates were facing some problems with their laptops, like all that kind of stuff. Even though like मुझे भी थोड़ा problem face हुआ, and I just told her. She was very much, what to say, interactive with us. Like she used to tell, don't feel shy and talk to us. So everyone was talking to her and asking the doubts and all that kind. So though it was a session, I think it can completed within 2 to 3 hours, but the session went very long. So I think up to 7 p.m. So after the 7 p.m. we got a short break, and there was there was a trainer, ma'am Rubina, that she explained about some important links of Amazon over there, like what you can do with that links and all that kind of stuff she explained. And yeah, and lastly we were giving some modules, and so that we need to complete that modules. There were 6, 7 or 8 some kind of modules that we need to complete the modules before the next day starts, next training day starts. So you have to complete all that kind of stuff. So that was the day of my Amazon journey, like Amazon Tron. That was my first day, that what I did in the Amazon. All over the session was really good, but unfortunately I need to leave ma'am Rubina's batch, because I don't know, like there were some shifts, like there were some changes made in the group batches. So but she was really good, like though it was a very short period of time I met with her. I don't know about other trainers, but she was really good, I mean to say. She was like a big sister, like helping you in a very manner. I think most of the Amazon trainers will be like that, so no need to feel worried about any kind of stuffs, on just be excited. Because my first day wasn't that much boring, because there was some interactive sessions, like we were like introducing ourselves from where we belong, like what we like to do, and all the different kind of stuff. We were like interactive session, it wasn't a boring session. So all over my day was really good, and just waiting for the next day, like how it will be, too much excited. So um, so guys, if you liked my video, if you have any doubts, कहीं पे भी अगर आपको डाउट्स है, just comment me, I will be there for you. I will answer each and every queries. If वो मेरे knowledge में है, अगर वो उसका जानकारी मेरे पास है, I will share. And thank you for watching my video. If you liked this video, then please like, or else it's totally up to you. And about subscription, it's totally up to you. Do you want to subscribe or not? And lastly, I would like to thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.